In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Gmail delegation. If you've ever needed someone you trust to help manage your inbox like reading and replying to messages on your behalf, Gmail delegation is designed for that. It's handy for busy schedules and team workflows, and it keeps your sign-fay in details safe because you never share your password. Start by opening Gmail on your computer in a web browser. Delegation is a desktop feature, so make sure you are not trying this on the mobile app. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Quick Settings panel, choose See All Settings to access the full settings dashboard. This is where Gmail keeps the account controls we need. Along the top of the settings page, click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Depending on your version, it might simply say Accounts. Scroll until you find the section called Grant Access to Your Account. This is the dedicated area for setting up a delegate. Click Add Another Account, and a small window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to delegate access to. Type the email address of the delegate carefully. It's best to confirm it with the person ahead of time and make sure they actively use Gmail. A quick note here: if you are using a work or school account, your organization may limit delegation to people inside the same domain. If you don't see the option to add someone, or if adding an external address doesn't work, your administrator may have restricted it. After entering the email, click Next Step. Then select Send Email to grant access. Gmail will send a message to that person letting them know you've invited them to be your delegate. They'll need to accept before they can access your mailbox. And in some cases, it can take a bit of time for the permission to become active. Once it's set, your delegate will be able to read and send email on your behalf. And messages they send will indicate that they were sent by them for you. They won't be able to change your password or most account settings, keeping your security intact. If at any point you want to remove access, return to the same Grant Access to Your Account section to manage or revoke the delegate. As a best practice, only delegate to people you trust, and periodically review who has access. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Gmail delegation and made inbox management a lot easier. Thanks for watching.